Hello, I'm Mike Donnelly, Senior Counsel for HSLDA. In this video, I'd like to give you a brief summary of Colorado homeschool law. Colorado law has provided for homeschooling since 1988. In Colorado, there are three homeschooling options: filing a notice of intent, enrolling in an independent school, or using a certified teacher. The age for compulsory school attendance is 6 through 17, but there are some exceptions for homeschooling parents. The notice of intent option comes from Colorado's Homeschool statute, which defines homeschooling as a non-public, home-based education program. Under this option, you notify any Colorado school district in writing. I recommend using HSLDA's member-exclusive Colorado Notice of Intent form to ensure that you don't miss any important information. Although the statute has a 14-day advance notice period before you start homeschooling, HSLDA considers this an unconstitutional infringement on your rights. If you have concerns about this, please contact us. The statute requires 172 days of instruction by a parent, guardian, or adult relative. Instruction should average about 4 hours per day in the subjects of reading, writing, speaking, math, history, civics, literature, science, and the U.S. Constitution. Co-ops are fine as long as parents continue to be involved and direct the overall education of their child. Good record keeping is essential for any homeschool parent, as the law in Colorado allows superintendents to require you to produce records. Although this is uncommon. Records to keep include attendance records, test and evaluation results, and immunization records. The law requires that you assess your child in grades 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, using either a nationally standardized achievement test or having a qualified person write a narrative report indicating whether your child made progress commensurate with his age and ability. The second option for homeschooling in Colorado is to enroll with an independent school, where you're supervised by the school but provide the education at your home. 2 or more homeschool families may establish an independent school by complying with certain statutory requirements. The third and final option for homeschooling in Colorado is if a child is instructed by a certified teacher. Under this approach, there are no notice, assessment, or other requirements. If you have specific questions about any of these choices, I invite you to consider joining HSLDA. As a member, you'll have access to our dedicated Colorado legal team, which includes me, so you can get personal advice and understand how the law applies to your situation. Thanks for watching.